Lawyers, what's the most absurd thing you've witnessed in court? I'm Emily, a lawyer, and nothing prepared me for the absurdity of that day in court. It was a civil case, wrongful termination. Dave, the business owner, seemed confident. Maybe too confident. When he took the stand, he looked the judge straight in the eye and said, "This wasn't a firing, it was a creative dismissal. I'm a visionary, my team just didn't match my energy." The judge blinked, confused. Dave kept going. "I once fired someone for wearing the wrong color socks. If the socks don't match the energy, the office vibe collapses." The courtroom froze. The plaintiff was speechless. I bit the inside of my cheek to stop from laughing. Even the stenographer paused, pen in midair. The judge, clearly baffled, dismissed the case, said the reasoning was too ridiculous to stand on legal ground. And just like that, the most bizarre court day of my career became the story I still tell at every lawyer get-together.